What is the link between GCF and prime factorization? Imagine you're trying to find the biggest piece of a puzzle that fits into all the pieces you have. That's what finding the greatest common factor is like. Now, think of prime factorization as breaking each puzzle piece into tiny, basic building blocks. When you understand how these blocks fit together, finding the biggest common piece becomes much easier. Every number can be split into prime factors, which are the smallest numbers that can only be divided by one and themselves. For example, the number 36 can be broken down into 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or written as 2 squared times 3 squared. The number 120 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, or 2 cubed times 3 times 1 times 5. When you want to find the GCF of these two numbers, you look at their prime factorizations. You find the prime factors they share, which are 2 and 3 in this case. Then, for each shared prime, you pick the smallest power that appears in both factorizations. For 36 and 120, the smallest powers are 2 squared and 3 to the first power. Next, you multiply these common prime factors at their smallest powers. So, 2 squared times 3 to the first power equals 4 times 3, which is 12. That 12 is the greatest number that divides both 36 and 120 without leaving any leftovers. This process of prime factorization makes finding the GCF straightforward because it shows exactly which prime building blocks are common to all the numbers involved. It's like having a clear map of how numbers are built, so you can easily see what they share. This method is especially helpful when working with polynomials, because you can factor out the GCF from all the terms by looking at their prime factors. In essence, prime factorization is the key to unlocking the greatest common factor. It shows the smallest pieces that make up each number, and by comparing these pieces, you can quickly find the biggest common factor. This connection helps make factoring numbers and polynomials much simpler and more systematic. So, understanding prime factors is like having a secret code to find the GCF every time.